What if I told you that the biggest risk to your productivity isn't a budget issue or staff shortage? It's your bathrooms, it's your washrooms, it's your ablutions. I'm talking about invisible contamination, dangerous bacteria, and the threat of workplace wide cross infection. Hi, I'm Trevor Whitaker from Crystal Mount Workplace Services, and today we're lifting the lid on one of the most critical services that we have to offer: hygiene services. Yes, also known as chemical deep cleaning. It's more than a clean, it's sanitization and decontamination, my friend, of the entire washroom area. Yes, every square meter of it. It's also a legally compliant, medically sound strategy to keep your workplace healthy and your business running. So, why does this matter? Well, workplace washrooms are ground zero for contamination. Studies show that cross-infection rates between male and female washrooms, they do differ significantly, but neither is safe without intervention. From E. coli to hepatitis B, HPV as you and I know it, and much more. These invisible threats can cripple an operation. And while mining operations are acutely aware of this risk, the danger exists across all industries: retail, logistics, manufacturing, and yes, healthcare. So, what we do with chemical efficacy at Crystal Mount, our hygiene service goes far beyond routine cleaning. We use high level SAPS ISO approved chemical disinfectants, proven to destroy a wide spectrum of pathogens, including E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella, HBV, and other viruses and bacteria commonly found in commercial washrooms. What we offer includes the following: hospital grade chemical deep cleaning, targeted disinfection based on known contamination rates, antimicrobial treatments for high contact surfaces like door handles, taps, toilet seats. In other words, anywhere where you see and touch. Scheduled hygiene audits to ensure consistent results and compliance. Now, these aren't off the shelf products. They specially selected virucidal, bactericidal, and fungicidal strength, applied by trained professionals using industry approved protocols. Our goal? Not just clean, but decontaminated and sanitized, my friends. So, what about compliance and the law? This isn't just best practice, it's compliance. The Occupational Health and Safety Act, OSH Act, mandates that employers provide a clean, hygienic, and yes, risk free environment. Failure to comply can lead to penalties, workplace shutdowns, or worse, a reputational crisis after an outbreak that you may or may not be able to come back from. We help you stay ahead of both of these. Okay, Trevor, the bottom line? Well, here's the truth: a single case of workplace transmitted illness could shut down a department, cripple productivity, or spark union disputes. Proactive hygiene service is not a luxury, it's a smart investment in continuity, in morale, and brand protection. Let Crystal Mount handle it. We're compliant, we're credible, and trusted across South Africa's toughest sectors. One provider, one account manager, one invoice. Contact us today. Book your site survey at no cost, or to learn more at www.crystalmount.co.za. Have a good one.